What if I told you the world's most vital trade route is under threat, sparking a $270 billion race to replace it? The Panama Canal is no longer enough, and countries are scrambling to create the next global shipping superhighway. Let's dive into this high-stakes competition. Today, we're uncovering the intense global race to find an alternative to the Panama Canal. With the canal facing limitations, nations and corporations are pouring billions into innovative solutions. Who will emerge victorious in this game-changing competition? For over a century, the Panama Canal has been the crown jewel of global shipping, connecting the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans and saving weeks of travel. But the canal has hit a major bottleneck. Its capacity is struggling to keep up with the growing demands of modern trade. Climate change, droughts, and increasing traffic have further strained the canal, making it clear that a backup solution is essential. So who's stepping up to fill the gap? Let's start with China, which is eyeing Nicaragua for its grand alternative. The proposed Nicaragua Canal, with a staggering price tag of $50 billion, promises to rival the Panama Canal. Though the project has faced delays, its potential to transform global trade is undeniable. Meanwhile, the United States and its allies are exploring expansions and upgrades to existing routes, including investments in Arctic shipping lanes. Melting ice caps, while controversial, have opened up new possibilities for trade between Asia and Europe. Other contenders include Brazil and Mexico, both of which are looking to develop overland transport systems and expanded port facilities to bypass traditional maritime routes altogether. Creating an alternative to the Panama Canal isn't just expensive, it's a colossal engineering challenge. Massive dredging, environmental concerns, and the sheer scale of these projects make them some of the most ambitious undertakings in modern history. For example, the Nicaragua Canal would need to cut through vast forests and communities, sparking debates over its environmental and social impact. So, why does this race matter? Global trade depends on efficient shipping. With over 12% of the world's trade passing through the Panama Canal, any disruption has massive economic consequences. Finding a viable alternative isn't just about convenience, it's about securing the future of international commerce. Imagine a world where shipping is faster, cheaper, and more reliable. That's the promise these new projects aim to deliver. But at what cost? What do you think? Should countries pour billions into these projects, or should they focus on improving the existing canal and routes? Comment your thoughts. While these projects hold incredible promise, they come with risks. Political tensions, environmental protests, and technological hurdles threaten to derail even the most ambitious plans. Yet, innovation might hold the key. From automated megaships to sustainable energy solutions, the future of global shipping could look vastly different in the next few decades. The $270 billion race to replace the Panama Canal isn't just about trade. It's about shaping the future of our interconnected world. It's a story of ambition, rivalry, and ingenuity. So, who will win this race?